Well, I love shoulder-to-shoulder time. I
Yes.
didn't know what that meant until now they told me I like shoulder-to-shoulder time. That means when you're shoulder-to-shoulder with somebody, you actually don't talk to them, or you just like watch TV and hang out.
He loves that.
I'm good at that.
Mine is when my husband cooks for me. There's one time in particular where he wanted to cook for me and he began to cook bacon in the wrong pan. So there was grease everywhere. He was cooking in bare feet. So there was little Brian footprints all over our hardwood floors.
I love Montreal. Montreal is a very beautiful city. I become more romantic when I'm in Montreal.
He does.
I go by the restaurants I love in those cities. I think Canadians do chicken better than Americans.
I'd have to say some of the places we've recently traveled to where we've seen some of our newer churches and just prayed over the land and really spent some time believing for God to bring the increase in laborers and planners.
When someone comes into one of our churches or one of our homes and their life is totally a wreck and the hand of God touches them and transforms and changes their life, it is amazing to see. One of the challenges is our network. Now there's so many pastors, so many churches, they're all over the place. There's people that plant with us that I don't even get to meet anymore. I love hanging with the pastors, and so that is a challenge.
Yeah, and it is our heart to strategically travel and spend time with as many planners and pastors and families as we can.
Well, for me, we definitely want to keep planting churches, starting homes. I feel like that's what God has called us to do. So we're going to keep planting churches in America, now Canada, hopefully the world.